जेन्ना होम मिनिस्टराच्या संदर्भात संशयाची सुई होम मिनिस्टराच कडेन वता किंवा ताच्या फॅमिली कडेन वता तेव्हा आनीक वेगळें कांय जावंक शकना. हळूहळू करून तांचे मॉरल वयर येता, तांकां फ्री हँड मेळपाक लागला. ताजो परिणाम म्हणून क्रायम डिटेक्शन हॅज इम्प्रूवड एटलीस्ट बाय 20 to 25%. तुका हांव लेटेस्ट पोजिशन सांगता. बरेच हाऊस ब्रेक आहा पळय HVTs, वी हॅव ऑलरेडी ट्रॅक देम. सगळे डिटेल सांगूंक शकना इतल्याकूच की ताजेर अलर्ट जायत म्हणून. पण इन महाराष्ट्र एंड some other places, Pune, Bombay, the crime branch people have gone and already tracked down and arrested few people. So ह्यो जो पळय हाऊस ब्रेक बी असते इन्सिडंट, प्रॉपर्टी इन्सिडंट वाडल्या. आता ह्या हातून तुका you have to, as your state becomes more open, more transparent and more tourists coming, obviously you have to have more patrolling. For that we are working on that. I cannot select people like that. And आताच सांगता, detection in 2012 has gone up to 64.07%, which is more than 2011, and it will go up still more. So detection is better. I do agree that 100% control येवना, पण थोडे दीस रावशी जाल्यार तुका हो कंट्रोल येतलो. तरेतरेचे गँग सगळे वाचून दाखयना, जाय जाल्यार हांव दाखयता, पण होम डिमांडाक मागीर तुमी बोवाळ घालतले तेव्हा सांगता काय.
नरेश सावंत
वर्साच्यान आयकता की बिचोलेन ट्रॅफिक सेल
होम डिपार्टमेंटाक बोवाळ घालतलो. वन मिनिट, आय जस्ट करेक्ट माय सेल्फ. जेन्ना हो बोवाळ होम डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वेळार जातलो, कारण जातलोच, खंय तरी हाऊस ब्रेकिंग हें आसता, त्या वेळार हे हांव डिटेल दिता कशें कशें आमी क्रॅक डावन केलें. हांवें शॉर्टकट मातसो वापरलो शब्दाचो, कोणे तरी तो चुकीचो अर्थ करूंक ना. म्हणजे मेंबर बोवाळ घालतले अशें. बोवाळ जातलो हो शब्द मेंबरांक नासून इन्सिडंटाक आसा.
सुभाष फळदेसाय.
स्पीकर सर, आमी जर IRB बटालियन फोर्स जो कॉमन कॅडर केलो जर जायत अशें पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ते वापरपाक मेळटा काय कितें, हो एक प्रश्न आशिल्लो म्हजो. जे बटालियन फोर्स आसा रायट नाव सादारणता 1500 1400 ते 500 बटालियन फोर्स आसा, तो जर खंयच्याय अशें शॉर्टफॉल ज्या जाग्यार आसा टेम्पररी वी कॅन अशें कॉमन कॅडर केलें जर जायत, इफ यू कॅन डिप्लॉय दीस फोर्स इन ऑल दीस ज्या जाग्यार कम जाता.
इट कॅनॉट बी कॉमन कॅडर. इट इज अ डिफरंट फोर्स. इट रिप्लेसीस or rather reduces GRP, गोवा रिझर्व पुलीस जो आसा पळय ताजी संख्या कमी करची पडटली. म्हणजे तांकां हातून हाडून बाकीच्या हातून हाडून IRBन जो कोण हें आता पळय एडमीट, ही हॅज नो डायरेक्ट ट्रान्सफर, लॅटरल ट्रान्सफर टू द गोवा पुलीस, बिकॉज IRBचें स्ट्रक्चरूच वेगळें आहा. तातूंत भितर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे भितर 5 वर्सां हे आसा, आनी देर आर सर्टन कंडिशन्स. In case it is required, they have to be deployed in some other parts also for another 5 years.
म्हणजे गोवा रिझर्व फोर्स जो आसा न्ही तो हांगा हाडपाक मेळटा आनी गोवा रिझर्व फोर्सांक बटालियन घालपाक मेळटा.
That is what we are trying to do. Overall number we are increasing of the police. Solution will be there.
प्रश्न जो विचारलेलो असतात त्याच प्रश्नाच्या संदर्भात उपप्रश्न विचारचे. आत्ताच्या बाबतीत दिगंबर कामत हांचो प्रश्न आशिल्लो तो मडगांवच्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आशिल्लो, त्या बाबतीतलेच प्रश्न उपप्रश्न सगळ्यांनी विचारचे. फुडलो प्रश्न श्री अतानासियो मोन्सेरात. But still you have a bonus of asking. Okay. Next. Srimati Jennifer Montserrat.
May I be permitted to ask question 5C?
5C.
You just
okay, sir. I'd asked a question whether the government intends to publish.
No.
Yes, sir.
Just mention question 5C.
5C.
5C. Yes.
Reply is as per printed. No, yes.
By when will these booklets be available, and will these booklets give detailed information about the different schemes and the criteria needed to avail of the same?
नाही 2006 हे पुस्तक this book was published in 2006 earlier, but now there are too many modifications. So maybe another 2-3 months we will come out with new edition of it with the modified version, because number one, income criteria have all changed after 2006. Number two, new schemes have been introduced and some schemes have been withdrawn. So by October we will publish a new book with current scheme. We will publish 2 books. One is an extensive detail where everything will be included. It will be like a master copy for every MLA. In fact, I would advise, once it is published, it may take even beyond October. It may go to November, December also. Please keep that book with you as a reference book, because that book will give you complete, comprehensive, all schemes of the government, whether they can be individually benefited, whether that can be in a group, whether it can be for farmers, everything will be included. There will be a shorter book which will include popular schemes like Ladli Lakshmi, Dayanand Social Security, the scheme which is coming now. Then there are some claim for farmers, fixed price for farmers, the vegetable scheme, all those which are common man's scheme will be included in that shorter book. That book I will make available by 30th of September. And every year it will be updated.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My second question was the same, whether the booklet will be available to the panchayats and to the MLAs for better coordination. You've already answered that. So thank you. The next one, Speaker, sir. So much has been said about this Ladli Lakshmi scheme. I haven't got any forms. Forget about getting the forms. I don't even know what they look like. But when people go to the concerned department, they've been told that the MLAs have been given the forms. So there's a little confusion there. Could you answer that, please?
पहिली म्हणजे कोणे कसलेच पॅनिक जावपाची गरज ना. Everyone will get the form. Second lot is under printing. We have restricted printing because initially there has to be some controlled release of the form. Otherwise, department can be overwhelmed by the number of applications which will come. So second lot is coming. The third lot, in second lot you will also get everything. कोणाक emergency आल्या एक 8-10 दिवसा भितर, म्हणजे before he is replying his queries on 31st. Moment his replies are over, I think he should be in position to release the form. हे आमदाराच्याच कडे मेळटले अशें न्हय. These forms will be ultimately available with the banks which will be nominated. The scheme is under notification. I think maybe today or tomorrow the scheme will be notified officially also. And money will be released only in the month of August. It cannot, after the assembly is over, the actual payment will start. No one need to worry because the scheme has a basic clause of 180 days. That means either from the date it is notified or from the date of event, whichever is later, 180 days are permitted. So कोणाचे लग्न समजा 13 जाला आसत एप्रिलान सुद्धा सेकंड सिग्नेचर लीगल इट गोज बाय लीगल डे मॅरेज ओनली. त्या तारखेपासून 180 दीस न्हय, स्कीम नोटिफाय जातकच 180 दीस.
ओके, आपण जेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटान वता तेन्ना आपल्या लोकांक सांगले जाता की आमदाराकडे दिला. आता इश्यू कितें आहा, तूं फॉर्म दिल्यार इवन स्पीकर सर, इवन इफ द गव्हर्नमेंट इज honest enough in its intentions to see that MLAs get the form, at the moment the departments are maligning the MLAs who have not got the form. It is so happening ki tumhi amka tumhi bad mouth karung laytat. Department is continuously telling that MLA मेळटा म्हणून. तो ताजो प्रॉब्लेम आहा.
Yes, sir.
हांव आतां डिपार्टमेंट सांगपाची गरज ना न्हय. हांव आतां हांगा ऑफिशियल टेलिव्हिजनाचेर सगळ्या लोकांक दिसती पडटा. सो आय एम मेकिंग इट व्हेरी क्लियर that not all MLAs has got it. Those MLAs who knew that the forms are available, they collected it. You came to know about it afterward. The second round you will also get it. So that round will be somewhere in the first week of August.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
So everyone will get it in the month of August. ऑगस्टाच्या फर्स्ट विकाक जांकां ज्या आमदारां पर्यंत पावूना फॉर्म, तांकांय ते फॉर्म पावतले जालें. क्लियर, सगळ्यांक सांगलें. 1 minute, let me clarify because let people also know. Some of the opposition MLAs probably have not got it because they did not know that a scheme is being declared on a particular day. A ruling party's MLA, being part of the declaration, they knew that a form are available. So they were given immediately the form. तुमकांय फॉर्म मेळटले मेळपाक कांयच ना मागीर तुमकां दिल्या नंतर we will put the form with the banks. Moment the banks are finalized, that is almost in the final stage, I will put forms available with the banks. So anyone can walk into that bank, take the form, fill it and give it in the social welfare department for approval.
Now, what is the role of the MLA? Whether the MLA of that constituency has any particular role vis-a-vis that constituency, or any MLA can sign anywhere?
Santa, if anyone wants, he can even give the form without MLA's signature also. But then, if he gives it without MLA's signature, the form will go to the committee, and the committee will send it to the police collector for every document verification.
So, ते constituency bogus beneficiaries issue आहा न्ही.
हांव सांगता जाल्यार मदींच उबो रावता. तुजी काय चली 18 वर्सांची जावन ना. तुजे चली काय अजून 18 वर्सांची जावन ना.
Honorable Minister.
1 minute, I will complete.
हांव घेना ती स्कीम. वगैरे आनी कोणाक दिवया.
Good. If you don't require, you should not take it. That's right. I am sure of it. You won't take it. हांव कित्याक सांगता तो मुद्दो तकलेन घे. स्कीम घाई कित्याक इतली करूं नाका हांव इतल्याकूच म्हणटा. कोणूय जर तूं गेले, हांव डिपार्टमेंटाकूय सांगूंक लायता की आमदारांक दिवपाक सुरवात जाल्या फॉर्म, थोड्या आमदारांनी व्हेल्या, थोड्यांचे आतां ऑगस्टाच्या पयल्या विकाक दितले अशें सांगपाक लायता. आतां डिपार्टमेंटान प्रत्येक खंयचो मनीस कितें depending, two ruling saidika.
No, I'm just asking because since you said that some MLAs has taken the forms. Because as far as I know, we have not received the forms. There's as Honorable Member Jennifer just mentioned. One second. As Honorable Member Jennifer just mentioned, saying that once you go to the department says whoever goes to the department say we have already sent to the MLAs. At least I can get to your notice. I know you may not be aware also. There is a condition for this form now. You got to be a member of the BJP. You first file a membership form of the BJP. Then I will give you a form. Otherwise, you go and collect the form from the department, or you collect from your MLA as and when you get. This is the condition. So I just want to get your notice. You please check on this, sir.
I think I don't have to check on it. I am making a statement which you are not understanding the meaning of. You are not understanding the meaning of.
I am understanding meaning.
Please listen to me complete.
Yeah.
I said number one. Some MLAs have already got the form.
Yeah, the MLA speaker, sir, can
हांव मरे सांगता बॅलन्स MLAs कोण ते म्हाका हांव कित्याक पळयतलो डिपार्टमेंटान तांच्यांनी सयो करून आपापले फॉर्म येल्या बॅलन्स हांव मरे सांगता बॅलन्स MLAs can avail of the form after in the first week. By the time his demands are over, the form will be ready. You can take it after the demands are ready. 31st, the first week आणि चड दीस ना आयज तारीख 20, 21, 20, 11 दिसांनी तुका फॉर्म फुडले प्रिंट करता हातून तुका रिजर्व करून दवरपाक लायता जांकां मेळूं ना तांकां.
आमकां हा प्रॉब्लम ना. I am not saying you give it to the MLA. I am saying you give it to any let them collect from the department.
करपाक दिना तूं. I think my information is not sinking in you.
My information is sinking, but it is only not sinking into you because what I am trying to tell you.
म्हाका खबर आहा तूं कितें म्हणटा तें. कोण जर तूं पार्टीचे हे मागता जाल्यार ताणें तें करून हांव कितें करतलो ताका.
That problem काय ना, but don't give this misinformation. Tell your people not to give this misinformation. That only if you feel the party form.
I am giving information. Where is the question of misinformation?
No, your party people, sir.
म्हाका ऑनरेबल मेंबराक मातसो डिस्टर्ब करूं नाका म्हूण सांग. हांव पूर्ण इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता. त्या नंतर विशय मेकळो करा. मदींच उबे रावता आनी पूर्ण करपाकूच दिना.
Complete the information.
रातचे ओगी रावन आयकतले काय हांव बसूं. ते विचार जाय तितले विचार. As long as honorable speaker permits, I have no problem. But I am trying to give you information which is very important for you. Obviously, people who knew that the forms are available, they took form immediately by recording it in the delivery books. 4000 फॉर्म प्रिंट केल्ले. भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या आणि रुलिंग सायडीक सपोर्ट करणाऱ्या सगळ्या आमदारांक ते फॉर्म दिता हे खबर आशिल्लें बिकॉज दे वर पार्ट ऑफ द स्कीम.